Most frequently asked questions.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good.
What is your name?
My name is Lucy.
How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
What do you do for living?
I work as an accountant.
Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older brother and a younger sister.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies include playing guitar and photography.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is definitely sushi.
What about your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
How was your weekend?
My weekend was pretty low-key.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna.
What music do you like?
I enjoy listening to all kinds of music, but lately, I've been really into indie rock.
How do you spend your free time?
I like to spend my free time trying out new recipes in the kitchen.
Do you like to cook?
Yes. I love experimenting with different cuisines and cooking techniques.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, I actually love it.
What's your favorite thing about hiking?
My favorite thing about it is being able to disconnect from technology and enjoy nature's beauty.
How did you spend your last vacations?
I spent my last vacation relaxing on the beach in the Philippines.
What's your favorite way to relax after a long day?
My favorite way to unwind is by taking a hot bath and watching my favorite TV show.
Have you ever been to any concerts?
Yes, I've been to a few concerts. The best one was definitely when I saw BTS live.
Do you have any upcoming travel plans?
I'm planning a trip to one of my aunts next month.
How do you like to stay active?
I enjoy staying active by going for runs in the park and taking yoga classes.
What's something that always makes you laugh?
Watching funny cat videos on the internet always brings a smile to my face.
Do you have any special talents or skills?
I'm pretty good at playing the piano. I've been playing since I was a kid.
What's your favorite memory from childhood?
My favorite memory from childhood is going on camping trips with my family.
How do you handle stress or difficult situations?
I like to take a step back and take deep breaths to calm myself down. Then I tackle the problem one step at a time.
What's the best piece of advice you have ever received?
The best piece of advice I've ever received is to always follow your passions and never give up. Are you a morning person or a night owl? I'm definitely a night owl. I do my best work in the late evening hours.